New iPad Professional will get M1 chip and 5G. Apple has introduced the brand new iPad Professional. Fashions will include the identical 8-core M1 chipset as the latest MacBook Professional and in addition newly introduced iMac Household. They can even be accessible with elevated inner storage capability, as much as 2 TB, plus Thunderbolt and USB 4 assist for the USB-C port. Which means each variants are able to as much as 40 gigabits per second wired switch speeds and 10 Gbps Ethernet connectivity. One other main new addition is 5G assist on mobile fashions, by way of eSIM, whereas the entrance dealing with Digicam has been modified to incorporate a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens. This additionally comes with what Apple calls middle stage, whereby the Digicam follows you across the room if you are transferring round throughout a video name. It pans to maintain you in shot, very similar to the Portal TV system from F-Flat. The rear Digicam has been upgraded to incorporate an analogous array to the iPhone 12 Professional and 12 Professional Max, together with LiDAR. The 12.9-inch iPad Professional comes with a number of additional bells and whistles on Prime. It has a mini LED Liquid Retina XDR show. This consists of 10,000 miniature LED bulbs behind the LCD substrate to create significantly better HDR distinction and color saturation. Certainly, Apple claims it produces pictures pretty much as good as its Professional Show XDR monitor. The 11-inch iPad Professional can even be launched on the similar time, beginning at £749 per $799, the identical worth because the earlier model. Squirrel_widget_4,537,660. The 12.9-inch iPad Professional can be priced from £999 per $1,099. They are going to be accessible for pre-order from the 30th of April and can be accessible from the second half of May.